Okay guys, welcome to this Corel Draw cartoon training. Thank you for your purchase of this training kit. So this training is going to be divided into 6 parts. We have the introduction, which we are doing now. We have concept and tools. That's the second video. Third video will deal on the tracing. Fourth video will deal on coloring. Fifth video will deal on the effects that are going to be used, and 6 will be our conclusion. So this picture right here is a picture we're going to be using all through for this tutorial, because we're going to use every effect, everything that's done in the cartoon is going to be done on this particular picture here. So now Corel Draw can be used to make cartoons, as we all know, because it's a graphic design program, and along the years Corel Draw has gone to so many places. Corel Draw has become more advanced by the day and so on. So you might have seen many people do some cartoons and stuff like that with Corel Draw, and Corel Draw is a very good tool to make cartoons, just like Photoshop, Illustrator and so on. So some of you might actually be wondering how it's done. So during this course you are going to learn everything to the detail, and I promise you it's going to be fun and it's going to be easy to learn, and I'm going to show you everything that this that the cartoon will entail. And I promise that any tool we're using here is available also on Corel 13, Corel 14, 15, 16 and so on. This here is Corel 22. I'm using the latest version of Corel Draw, which is Corel Draw 2020, which is Corel Draw 22. So even if you are using Corel Draw 13, if you just locate the same tools, you should be able to go on with what we're doing here. Okay, so see you in the next video when we go to the concept and tools. See you in the next video.